How to get your Instagram account back without a phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your Instagram account back without a phone number. First, open Instagram and navigate to the login page. Then tap on Forgotten Password located under the password field. After that, enter your Instagram username and tap on Need More Help. Now, on the Help Us Recover Your Account page, if the email address listed is not yours, tap on I can't access this email or phone number. Here, you will be directed to the Request Support form. Enter a new email address where Instagram can contact you and the email address that is linked to your account. Then, you will be asked to enter a few questions. Next, describe your issue. For example, I lost access to my email and phone number, need help to reset my password, and submit the form. After you've submitted the form, Instagram will send you an email, usually within 24 hours. In the email, Instagram will request a photo of you holding a handwritten code to verify your identity. Once you send the photo, wait for Instagram's response, which should arrive within 24 to 48 hours. Check your junk or spam folder just in case. Finally, the email will contain instructions on how to reset your password and recover your account. Follow the link provided to reset your password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.